Good Times Eats, episode 3, coming at you. We're outdoors, we're poolside. We're doing an awesome all grill episode. I got Chris Charles here to do a special collaboration episode. We're doing soy garlic chili wings. We're doing a corn rib. We're doing grilled veggies tossed in a nice spiced butter. We're pairing that all with the cucumber basil mint from Good Times Drinks. Chris, you ready?
You told me that we were catering a bar mitzvah.
Let's get grilling. Soy garlic chili marinade. We're gonna do this for our grilled wings. Right now, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna use a little bit of a dark sweet soy. We're gonna use some rice vinegar, some sesame oil, a little bit of chili, some soy sauce, some garlic, some fresh ginger, brown sugar, honey, and lime. We're gonna blast that all into the food processor, and then we're gonna marinate up our wings. Let's do it. Once you're done your marinade, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna save about a quarter of it and put it aside. We're gonna mix it with our favorite barbecue sauce for when we're brushing our wings. Let's get the marinade on. Chimichurri time. We're back now. We're gonna make an awesome chimichurri ranch. Chris is gonna tell you what's up.
So chimichurri is a traditional sauce made with a bunch of herbs. So today we've got mint, cilantro, and parsley. We're gonna mix that in with a bit of lemon juice, Dijon, some rice wine vinegar to add some zip. And somehow Craig's talked me into mixing that with ranch that I don't really know about, but we'll see how it turns out.
It's pretty rad for the wings. Let's get at it.
So I know there's a few of you at home that are pretty uncomfortable with the idea of corn being a rib. Well, I've got a surprise for you. It's 2021 and cauliflower can be wings, eggplant can be bacon, so corn can absolutely be a rib. So when it comes to husking corn, the hardest part is definitely gonna be the actual husking, and there's no real good tip or trick to get it done except for this one, and that is to trick or convince somebody into doing it for you, which I will show you how to do now. Hey Scott!
Yeah?
Wanna come here for a sec?
What's up?
I'm willing to bet 50 cents that you cannot husk all this corn in under 2 minutes.
Betcha I can.
It's just that easy. All right, today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to do some grilled vegetables that are perfect for your barbecue. So first we're gonna start with some bell peppers. The key to cutting bell peppers and putting them on the grill is to make sure you're cutting all the flat sides evenly, which makes it a perfect surface for cutting into triangles, and they're not gonna slip between the grills on your barbecue. So you're gonna start with one flat side and cut just straight down, ensuring you're not getting too much of this vein on the side. Continue along all the sides. And you have 4 even pieces. From here, you're gonna wanna cut into maybe a triangle shape, something easy to work with. And then just continue again with your next pepper. Next, we're gonna go to the asparagus. So with asparagus, it's really important to make sure that you're not getting too much of the stalk when you cut it. The stalks are really fibrous and woody, so you wanna make sure you trim off as much of that as possible. So you're looking for where the color changes from a light white green to a more of a dark green. So maybe 1/3 up the way of the stalk.
All right, here we are. We're gonna make our spice butter. Step 1 on this is actually we're gonna burn some green onions on the barbecue. Get them nice and charred to give off that nice little onion smoky flavor. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna take off the stems of that, get those away, throw those on a bake tray. Take a little bit of oil. You can use grapeseed, you can use whatever one, you can use any sort of high heat oil. Give them a little drizzle. Little seasoning. And if you follow me, we're gonna go over to the barbecue. Barbecue's on high. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take some of those beautiful green onions that we had. I'm just gonna toss them right on the barbecue. Now, these are gonna go pretty quick. Just gonna take that, I'm gonna put the lid on it for about 15 or 20 seconds. Let's check it out. So, we're gonna slowly just start rotating those. We wanna wait till we get that nice charred grilled flavor from them. It'll take longer than I thought. We got our charred green onions, we're gonna put them on here. We're gonna whip this into some butter with some garlic. We're gonna use some honey, some awesome Chinese 5-spice, which I love that spice mix, and then we're gonna use some lemon juice and a little bit of lemon zest. So, let's hack those green onions up. All right, we got our wings out, we got everything prepped, ready to go. We got our corn ribs, we got our asparagus, we got our red peppers, we got our marinade mixed with our barbecue sauce, and we're all ready to go here.
But first, a word from our sponsor.
Have you ever tried to make a gin and tonic and just couldn't find the right ingredients, or were overwhelmed by the amount of ingredients? Is preparing fresh ingredients for a cocktail just too hard and cumbersome? Well, do we have the product for you? Introducing the amazing, incredible, all-in-one convenient ready-to-drink gin and tonic. No more disappointing your friends and family with your subpar cocktail attempts that result in gin and tonic mediocrity. Don't be this guy. Serve up something better. Good Times Gin and Tonics will excite your mouth with 4 fresh new flavors to choose from. Lime, grapefruit, raspberry rose, and cucumber basil mint will have your party in full swing. Stop letting your boring-ass cocktails ruin the night and possibly your relationship. Good Times Gin and Tonics are available at Big Rick's Booze Barn, Top Fields, Newton Bussaloo, Terry and Myrna's House, Aunt Mammy's Hooch Hut, Langley, Splash's Wash Lodge, Stumpy's Libation Lounge, Pool Party, Chaplin's Snifter, The Surly Warren, and Chateau Miller. Good Times Gin and Tonics. Less sweet, more refreshing. Show your mouth a good time.
All Grill Episode 3 Good Times Eats is a wrap. Thank you, Chris, so much for popping by and doing the collab with me today, buddy.
Thanks for having me, it was a great time.
For the full recipe, go to goodtimesdrinks.com, and don't forget to pair that cucumber basil mint with this awesome recipe. We'll see you again. Let's cheers a wing, bro.